Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Arijit Devnath and this is the 7th video on file handling. So in the previous video we have learned about the function fgetC, and in this video we will learn about the function fscanf. So fscanf is a function which is used to read the formatted input from the file and return it to the console. Just like we have used the scanf function. Scanf function is used to read the input from the keyboard, but if scanf is used to read input from the file. So only the dissimilarity is scanf function is used to read from keyboard and if scanf from file. So we will now see the syntax of it. I will write here the syntax. If scanf, inside it we have to pass first the file pointer, then the format specifier, then the variable name. First the file pointer, in which file we are working. That file has a pointer, that pointer you have to pass it here, and then the format specifier, that is if we are reading any string or integer or any character which is present in the file, so that format we have to write it here, the format specifier, and this is the variable name. So what we are reading from the file, we have to store it in a variable, so that variable name we will write here. So for now I am deleting this one, and here I have created a file of name a.txt. I have already created it, and I have used the mode R, that is reading, as we will read here. So for that I will create here a character array named data of size 30, and inside the else part, that is if the file is open, then the else part will execute. So in the else part I will write scanf, fscanf, then I'll pass the file pointer, then the format specifier. So let's see the file. So this is the file a.txt which we are using. So I'm just opening it and see it says hello, that is a string is written here. So we have to write here %s for printing string, just like we have used in scanf, and here I will write the variable name, that is data. Okay, and then I will just simply use printf statement to print it, that is %s data, and done. So at first, using this scanf, we are reading the string which is present inside the file and storing it in data array, and after that we are simply printing that which we have stored in the data array, that is hello. So I will execute. Okay, I will save it as program 7, then I will run it. Okay, so here is the file, and it prints exactly what is written inside the file. Now let me do one thing. Inside the file I will write here another string, that is after giving a space I will write here hello learner. I will save it. Again I will compile it and run. Now it prints hello, but in the file hello learner is written. So why it only prints hello? As similar to the scanf function, if we are using or reading any string, so it will stop when it will encounter any space or tab or any new line or next line. Okay, so here as it has encountered space, so it has stopped there, so it has printed only hello. So for printing this learner, what we will do, we will use another character of name of size 30, and here, as after a space, here hello, after hello we have used only one space and then another string. So here exactly we have to give one space and then %s, that is another string, and here I will write the variable name, which is name. Similarly, in the printf I will use one space and then %s, and in the after data I will write the variable name as name. Now again I will compile it and run it, and it exactly prints hello learner. Done. Now let me do one thing. I will erase this learner and write here a number such as 45. I will save it, and now as we are taking input of a number, so what we have to do, we will use here integer, not character. Okay, so I will write here int num, so that number 45 what we have stored here, so that 45 will get stored inside this number. So now I have to use here %d, right, as I have used number there, and here I will change the variable name as %num, not %, sorry. So why we are using ampersand, as we are using integer, so we have to write here ampersand, right? Similarly, in printf statement I will write here d and the variable name as num. Now I will try to compile it and run and see exactly what is written in the file. It prints exactly the same. Done. So that is it for today. This was all about file handling, the function scanf we studied today. In the next video we will learn some more operations on file handling, and until then, goodbye.